As I open my eyes, it goes. I can hear the sound of the fan. I can feel the swift touch of the wind. Out of the blue, sadness dispose.